Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineers and electrical engineer. The name of the company is Tata, and I will be giving the link in the description. When you click on the link, you will be directed to the official website. If not, also just type Tata Power Career in Google, and if you give a search mean, you will be getting following result. When you scroll down, you have to click on employment opportunities for experienced in Tata Power. So if you click on that icon, you will be directed to this page, official website of Tata Motors, and when you scroll down, you can see employment opportunities. You have to click on employment opportunity, so you will be directed to this page. Here you have to click on the option called start. Okay, just click on start, and you have to fill the required field. If you are from manufacturing, click manufacturing, accounts, or whichever departments you're coming, you just click on that and fill all the details, and finally you have to click on the icon start. So when you fill, you will be getting following result. So today we are going to see two job opportunities, one for mechanical and another for electrical. Supervisory trainee for mechanical. When you click on that supervisory trainee for mechanical, you will be directed to this page. So let us first of all see the details. So you will be having a print preview option. So if you want means you can see. So when you click on the PDF, the details will be opening like that. The location is Jamshedpur, and name of the company is Tata Power Company Limited, and it's from mechanical supervisory training. So if you are willing to apply for this job, you can click on the icon apply. So when you're coming back, if you go back means you will be directed to this search result, where you can also choose supervisory training for electrical. So when you click on that, you will be directed to this page. In bottom there will be an advertisement. When you click on the advertisement, you will be seeing this page. So it's supervisory training for electrical, and job location and all they haven't clearly given, so just make a glance of it. But if you want to apply means, then you have to click on apply. So when you click on apply, you will be directed to this page. Here you have to fill your basic details like first name, second name, etc., and you have to give yes and accept all the terms and conditions in order to register and apply. So after registering, you will be seeing the application wizard. Then you have to click on the, after applying for this job, you have to click on the icon application wizard, so that you will be directed to this page. If it's they will be sending the username and password to your registered mail ID, so you can use that in order to log on and access it in order to have further details and application of the job. So I hope so this video will be very useful for mechanical and electrical engineers, and kindly share with them, and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. Then only you can see or receive all the videos which we upload. We will bring all job opportunities to your doorstep. Just stay tuned with our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.